On today's first look, we have a beautiful 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 split window coupe. This is lot number 1363. No expense spared, body off restoration to the factory specification by renowned D&M Corvette specialists. Powered by its original matching numbers engine and 4-speed manual transmission. The Z06 package includes the RPO L84 fuel-injected 327 360 horsepower engine, Positraction rear end, heavy-duty shock absorbers and springs, and a dual-circuit brake master cylinder with vacuum power assist, and heavy-duty front stabilizing bar. The Z06 Performance Package was first offered to the public in 1963, also known as RPO Z06 Package, with only 199 total units produced, finished in its original color Sebring silver over black interior, and documented with its original bill of sale, window sticker, dealer order form, and early service records. This Z06 has been awarded NCRS Top Flight Award and Bloomington Gold in 2010. And when you look at the quality of the restoration, absolutely beautiful. Also included in the sale is the NCRS shipping data report and photos of the complete restoration. Here we have a super rare Corvette, great color combination, one of the rarest Corvettes built in 1963 of just 199. And the best part, it is selling at no reserve at the Barrett-Jackson Scottsdale auction held January 20th through the 28th. Register to bid at barrett-jackson.com. You could take home this amazing 1963 Corvette Z06. See you then.